friends, good morning. Today we will revision of chapter number 18, our home earth. First, I speak some new words, then you speak up after me. Spherical, Spherical, spherical. Moves, Moves, moves. Heat, heat. Surround, Surround, surround. Blanket, blanket. Protect, Protect, protect. Harmful, Harmful, harmful. Covered, Covered, covered. Model, Model, model. Globe, Globe. Lowland, Lowland, lowland. Plateaus, Plateaus, plateaus. Plains, Plains, plains. Rainfall, Rainfall, rainfall. Stream, stream. Seas, seas. Harmful, Harmful, harmful. Electricity, Electricity, electricity. Next, surface, Surface, surface. Natural, Natural, natural. Feature, future. Landforms, Landforms, landforms. Windy, windy. Mountain. Soil. Snow, snow. Flow, flow. Peak, peak. Valleys, valleys. Tableland, here you see the L but that is table, Table, tableland. Here same word is mistake, but you understand that T. Suitable, Suitable, suitable. After island, Island, island. Purpose, purpose. Oceans. Pollution, Pollution. Pollution. Waste. Now friends, you see here the filling the blanks. The shape of the earth is dash. What the shape of the earth? So spherical, Spherical, spherical. Means we call that one oval type shape. Ocean have dash water. Ocean have salty water. Dash have a U or V shape. Its answer is valleys have U or V shape. Desert are dash and dry lands. The desert are hot and dry lands. Number fifth, very hot dry lands called desert. Very means large area of flatland, it's called plains. Flatland means equal, means we call that one tableland, is called plains. Small mountains are called hills. Different feature of the earth surface called landform. Different features of the earth surface called landforms. Now friends, we learn here B exercise in write T for true and F for false, but I write here the cross and right sign. First sentence, the earth is a square in shape. So false, the earth shape is spherical. 2. Earth is surrounded by air. So yes, earth is surrounded by air. Number 3, you say that earth get heat and light from the moon. So yes, earth is get heat and light from the sun, but that here is give the moon, so the sentence is wrong. Number 4, the sun moves around the earth. So sorry, this sentence is wrong, but right sentence, the sun moves around the earth is wrong, but the earth moves around the sun, this sentence is right. Here number 5, we live on the planet earth. So yes, we live on the planet earth. So when and which place the other planet live people? So yes, many planets have lived the people. That people is called that alien. Number 6, 1/4 of the earth surface is land. So yes, 1/4 of the earth surface is land. 1/4 ये बाकी 3/4 land surface on water. Nainital is a hot. Nainital is not a hill station. The sentence is false, but Nainital is a hill station. Number 8, plains are dry land covered with sand. So plains are dry land covered with sand. So false. Dry land means for the soil. Plains are grassy area, means grassland. Here the plain is soil, means soil. Plains are dry land. So here the sentence word is changed. Desert are dry land covered with the sand. Now, number 9, we should not cut the tree. So true, because tree gave us many things for us. So we did not, and we will not cut the tree. Now match the following. In column A, model of the earth, very high area on the earth, large area of flatland, a very large water bodies, a lowland between the mountains. In column B, globe, mountain, plains, sea and valley. Friends, you understand here, I write the answer in front of that sentence. मीन्स मैंने जहाँ मैच द फॉलोइंग में मेरे जो है वो मैंने उसके सामने राइट आंसर किए हुए ही है। मॉडल ऑफ द अर्थ वी कॉल द ग्लोब। वेरी हाई एरिया ऑन द अर्थ वी कॉल देम माउंटेन। Large area of flatland is called plains. Very large water body is called sea या ocean. Lowland between mountain is called valley या also U shape या V shape is called valley. Now answer the following questions. What are landform? Write any two of them. Different natures. What are landform is different natural features of the earth's surface are called landforms. For example, hills and mountain. Yeah, also we call valley, plains, grasslands. They are landforms. What are plains? Here, plains are large area of flatlands. What are plains? The plains are large area of flat lands. Now, what are features? What are plateaus? An area of high level land is called a plateaus. An area of high level land is called प्लेटो। इसमें सारी सपाटी इक्वल होती है और बीच में से एक पार्ट ऊपर की होता है, उसे कहते हैं प्लेटोज। What are valleys? There are lowland that lie between mountain or hills. What are valleys? Valleys are lowland that lie between mountain or hills. Question number 5. Write any two ways to save the earth. First, we should not cut the trees. हम क्या नहीं करेंगे? ट्री को कट नहीं करेंगे. Second, we should not kill the animals. हम कभी भी एनिमल को किल नहीं करेंगे. We should not waste water. और पानी को हम बचा कर रखेंगे. And should not waste. Now friends, lesson number 19. Days, month and years. New words here. Measured. First I speak, then you. First measured. 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 MOSTLY. Mostly. Move. 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 Spins. 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 Axis. 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 FIXED. Fixed. LEAPYAR. Leap year. Around. 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 Now friends, filling the blanks. Dash has 28 days. Means which month has 28 days? February has 28 days. Yeah, also you call which is the shortest month in the year. So February is the shortest month in the year. A dash tells us the time. So a clock tells us the time. Who tells the time? So a clock tells us the time. A leap year has how many days? A leap year has dash days. A leap year has 366 days. 4. The earth takes dash days move around the sun. So here the earth takes 365 days to move around the sun. B. Circle the means names of the day and month written correctly. Hence, you see here that the name of the given month and day, but you find the correct month month and days which are correct in that spelling. So first you say Sunday, Sunday, it is correct, so you circle on that Sunday. Second, Saturday, Saturday, Saturday is correct spelling, so you circle on it. Now you see that February in February, that wrong spelling, so you do not circle on it. November, November, November is right spelling, so you circle on it. उसके बाद August, spelling is also wrong. Thursday, its spelling is also wrong. September, its spelling is wrong. Friday, its spelling is wrong. April, इसमें double P है, so it is wrong. June, June, it is correct, you circle on that. June. October, 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 it is correct, so you write, circle on it. And Monday की जगह पे Monday लिखा है, so it is wrong. Now see, match the following. Here you said that answer in front of it. A leap year has how many days? A leap year has 366 days. To a year, how many months in a year? To 12 months in a year. The earth moves around the sun and the moon around the earth. A week has how many days? A week has 7 days. Now, true and false. February has 30 days, so it is wrong. February has 28 या 29 days. You remember, all the months have 30 या 31 days, but February has 28 या 29 days. 365 days make a year. So yes, 365 या 366 days make a year. This sentence is true. There are 12 months in a year. So yes, 12 months is equal to 1 year. The time taken by the earth to spin around once on its axis is called a year. So it is wrong. It is called a day. इसे क्या है? A time taken by the earth to spin around once on its axis is called a day, not a year. Now answer the following questions. First, what is a day? The time is taken by the earth to spin around once on its axis with a repeat to sun is called a day. मीन्स एक जगह से घूमकर वापस उसी जगह पे आ जाती है, उसके अर्थ का साइन एग्जैक्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैट सन, इट इज कॉल्ड अ सिंगल डे. नाउ नंबर 2, हाउ कैन वी मेजर टाइम? द टाइम कैन मेजर्ड in term of hour, minute and second. The time is measured in your textbook according to the hour, minute and second. Also time is measured in that month, year, day and week. Now number 3, what is a year? The time taken by the earth to move around the sun once on a fixed path is called 1 year. मीन्स अर्थ जहाँ से घूमने का स्टार्ट करती है, वापस घूमकर पूरी उसी जगह पे वापस आ जाती है, इट इज कॉल्ड ईयर, उसे एक साल कहते हैं। वॉट इज अ लीप ईयर? तो a year with a 366 days is called a leap year. Means in this month, means a March, April, May, June has 30 or 31 days, but in a month of February has 29 days. It is called a leap year. Yeah, this year is called a leap year. Now, number 5, how much time does the earth take to go around the sun? So here the earth take a 365 days to go around the sun. Means एक चक्कर लगाने में उसे कितना टाइम लगता है अर्थ को? तो 365 days. Number 6, what does the long hand of a clock indicate? The long hand of the clock indicate the minute. Which hand run the fastest in the clock? A second hand. And which is the shortest hand in the clock? The shortest hand is a hour hand. So friends, you learn well at your home, and this question answer also you read and write in your notebook. Thank you.